Number 3. Go.
In all the old familiar places that this heart of mine embraces all day through. In that small cafe, the park across the way, the children's carousel, the chestnut trees, the wishing well.
Why is it important that I customise my own things? I get fly. I guess because the branding is the company that made it, that sells it, and when I bought it, it's mine and it's not theirs anymore, and I don't want to advertise it for them. This label right here is unimportant. It means nothing to me. It just says to everyone else, it belongs and was bought from Mr. Cannon. I'm not bothered, Mr. Cannon, and so I'm going to remove you. There we go, Mr. Cannon. Now it belongs to Mr. Anthony. Thank you. I guess I've always scratched the labels off everything that I owned. I always wanted to put my name on it. I think it stemmed from being at school, so nobody pinched it or stole it. I'm not trying to show off by walking around holding a certain thing with a name on it, or a label on a shirt. I'm not bothered. Customise your own things. It's important. It belongs to you. These things, these tools, they belong to me. I have a better relationship with them once I've taken off the labels that said it ever belonged to anybody else. And also, it makes people understand that it's mine. If they see it, they go, oh, there's Anthony's camera, it's got his name written all over it. That's important, I think. Own your tools. Unit 4, Studio Experiment. Customise your own brand. Be your brand. I've just realised I may have bought the ultimate non-branded product. Look at this. Look at it. Clean lines, clean. Just the design. Non-branded. Well, a tiny brand of alarm. Clean, non-branded product. Let's change that. So, let's have a studio update. Let me show you what I've been working on. So, you saw that I made the Batman signs. Well, it's all for Bradford Literature Festival, but I'm also making a huge stage that's going to be surrounded by books. It's going to be a book. Look at this big red book. Amazing, look. They're not real pages, it's just lines. And then this one behind me, it's yellow, and this one here is going to be like penguin books. Not sure which books. Which to choose. And over here, something more exciting. Space guns! Silver space guns. Pound shop, sprayed silver, space guns. Crappy old shoes, painted the crappy old shoes, sprayed silver. Fucking David Bowie. What else? So, I took a normal dress, sewed a hoop to the bottom. Also, someone brought in a stool the other day because I needed a stool for another show because one had got broken. Shamina. This is what Shamina brought as a replacement. Let's just check it out. Look at it. 4 legs. Nice. Made of plastic. Look at this top there, covered. Plastic. So nothing bad could ever happen to it. This leg is on the wrong way round. Crazy. So, needless to say, it didn't go in the show because I love it too much and I'm going to keep it. Good evening. What's going on here? One side up, one side down. Check it out. What? Why? Poirot doesn't put up with this, does he?